Yo, hold on real quick, man. What's going on with these Air Jordan 4s? Like, nobody's talking about them. I don't see nobody repost them on Twitter, Instagram. What's going on with these 4s, man? We got to talk about it in today's video. Let's get right into it. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thanks for tuning in to today's video, man. If you've seen the thumbnail, you've seen the title, we're gonna be showing you guys some early Air Jordan 4s. This is the second early pair, man. Shout out to the homie JayTheSneakerGuy. Like I said, man, I'm gonna link his YouTube down below. He like this close from 100K, so just please go help him out. Get that 100K plaque gonna feel real good. I'm already knowing, because we on that grind too, man. Like I said, I'm gonna link JayTheSneakerGuy YouTube down below. Go tell him thank you for sending over these early kicks for the Vintage Squad, man. You guys already know my Instagram and my Twitter will always be down below, so I keep on saying I'm gonna stop saying that, because you already know the Instagram and Twitter is down below. It's very beneficial for you guys in case you want to hit on some shock drop. You want some restock information, go follow me on Instagram and Twitter, and that will help you guys out, I'm telling y'all. And subscribe to the channel if you're new. We're so close to that 70,000 subscriber mark. I can't believe we got this much subscribers on the channel. It's been a long grind. It's been a fun, journey, a fun process. So like I said, if you guys are new, please hit that subscribe button and leave a huge like on today's video, because you guys already know, man, the content's gonna keep rolling and the quality's gonna get better for the video. So please like, comment, subscribe right now to the channel. All right, man, here we have them, man. You guys see we have a traditional Air Jordan 4 box. You got your red Jumpman flight right here, regular branding. You have the cement box going all the way around. This is a women's Air Jordan 4 retro, canyon purple and safety orange. I got these in size 10.5, which is a size 9 in men. And you guys should already know what these joints is, and some of y'all probably don't know what they are, which is crazy. Like I said, I don't see nobody talking about these. I don't know, maybe y'all just think they trash. I think they slick fire, man. So let's go ahead and pull them out real quick, pop the top open and see these things firsthand. And yes sir, here we have them, the Air Jordan 4 canyon purples. Y'all can't tell me these is not slick fire, you know what I'm saying? Like, I know some people like, yo, it's too much. I don't know why they gave it to us, but just imagine if they threw a collab on here. I know a little bit of the sneaker can be a little too much, too extravagant, but I think the colorway is, slick fire. I ain't gonna say it's a must cop or anything like that, but I do think, like, a certain of the hits on the sneaker makes it, stand out from the other Air Jordan 4s we have been getting recently. So let's go ahead and pull both of these out of the box real quick. You guys already know what I'm gonna ask y'all. Off first rip, off first impression, man. What do you guys think about the Air Jordan 4 Canyon Purples? It's crazy because right now on StockX, I was looking on GOAT and everything, and they're not even going for that much money. And like I said in the last video, I said if you see a pair of sneakers on like StockX and GOAT and the resale is pretty low, you should probably know that, nobody's really talking about them, nobody really wants them. And these were supposed to originally release in September. Like, I think it was September, but they pushed the release date back all the way to like November or something. It's crazy. I don't know what's going on with all the pushbacks, but these definitely got pushed back a couple of times now. I don't know why that is, but I do believe that these release overseas already, in the UK, Germany area and all that stuff. These joints are released, and I think that a lot of people saying these were sitting overseas in some of the comments under the videos. You guys already know for me, man, I don't know if you guys checked out my Air Jordan 4 collection video. Your boys really been trying to add them for the collection, and I'm just thinking about this colorway saying long term, how this will, be as far as people talking about it. I don't care about the resale value, but I know a lot of sneakers for me that I passed up on back in the day. Now that I see them on like StockX, GOAT, Instagram, and all that stuff, I'm like, damn, I should have got them. They super dope. I wish I would have had them in the collection. And then by the time you do want to get that pair of sneakers, the resale is just going for a crazy amount of money. And that's why a lot of stuff, like I be showing you guys, I say don't sleep, because you already know a couple years down the line, when you actually remember about the sneaker, it's gonna be too late because the resale is gonna be too high for you to cop, you know what I'm saying? That's just my opinion. But here we have them. I think that these are not a must cop. It's nothing too crazy. I do think that a lot of people are gonna say, yo, they trash just because it's not a collab. Like, it's a loud sneaker, but we have, Jordans like the Air Jordan 4, Travis Scott's, all yellow joints. They had a purple pair. So just imagine if they would have threw like a collab name or anything on there like that. I think these definitely would have done a little bit better. But I do like the purple suede going all around the sneaker. It's actually nice suede going all the way around, and you had the green hits on the midsole. I don't know the canyon purple theme. I don't know what's going on. It's a crazy loud colorway, and these are not for everybody. So that's another thing we gotta remember, man. Every shoe is not for everybody. Everything is not fire. Everything is not a must cop, but it is certain sneakers out there that I do think, different. what I'm saying, like these right here that I feel like you probably should go get because later down the line, it's gonna be too late, man. So we showed you guys 2 early pair of Air Jordan 4s, man. Shout out to the homie JayTheSneakerGuy. You got the Midnight Navies, which the review will be coming very soon, and in comparison with the Air Jordan 4 white cements. And then we got these joints. So I'm definitely gonna hit you guys with a full review. You know this shoe right here, I don't mean to switch up the topic that quick. They remind me of the Air Jordan 4 Renterize that we got a little minute ago. Only reason I say that is because it was a very, very different colorway. Nobody was talking about it. And I think I got them from under retail early. So I'm gonna grab them real quick to show you. All right, so here we have them, man, the Air Jordan 4 Winterize. These joints right here, like I said, nobody was talking about them. But I'm telling you right now, you check the resale value, I know they're going for a lot more than what they were. People saying the color was trash. People didn't like, you know what I'm saying, that furry material like we got on the Cayenne Purples. You got that same furry material on the inner of these joints. I thought this colorway was fire, bro. Like, I just now remember about the shoe. So now it's gonna make me wanna rock this joint because the colorway is actually fire. The only thing that really threw me off, and I think a lot of other people off, is the furry, you know what I'm saying, insole, you know what I'm saying, the inner of the sneaker. But other than that, just look at the colorway. Colorway is fire. Definitely remind you of a couple, you know what I'm saying, some of them PEs that you seen floating around the internet, man. So here you have it. Winterize Air Jordan 4s. I think they fire. We already rocked these joints a couple times, but definitely got to pull these joints back out, get a nice fit with, because these joints is crazy. So yeah, guys, that's pretty much it for this unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Full review will be coming up very, very soon. So you guys stay tuned by hitting the notification bell and hitting that subscribe button right now to the channel. 70K is the goal. That's what we're grinding to, and I know we can do it with you guys' support. So like I said, last but not least, drop those comments down below. Let me know if there's gonna be a cop, a drop, you passed them, you're not feeling them. I need all that information down below in the comment section because I'm very interested in knowing what the Vintage Squad is feeling about some of these early kicks we've been showing y'all. Before everybody leaves today, I need everybody leave a huge like on the video, drop some comments. Like I said, my social media will be linked down below in the description box as always. Subscribe, hit the notification bell, videos coming. Trying to do one every day. So like I said, hit the notification bell so you can tap back into the content. And yeah, man, with all that being said, thanks for tuning in once again. And I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video, man. Peace.